Right, so this is our next video. What we're going to do is I'm going to add into this second column a map. Okay, so you can see at the moment I've just got that text there. So what we're going to do is we're going to embed a map into there. So the way to do that is to go to Google Maps. You can see I've put High Street Shoreham by sea. So just find that, and then it should. So if I just put High Street Shoreham by sea, I'm going to come in. There we go. So you can see that we've done that. The next thing you do is just go up to the burger menu and just go down to share and embed the map. Okay, so what we're going to do is do that. I'm actually going to embed the map into the HTML. So once you click on embed the map, you can see that it says copy HTML. You just grab that, it's gone to the clipboard, and then I'm just going to take out the P tag. I'm just going to put it underneath the text there. So you can see that it's got what's called an iframe there. The width of it is 600 by 450, so it's actually too big at the moment. I'll just quickly show you that, and this is how it should look if you pop that in. You can see it's far too big for there, so I'm actually going to reduce that. I'm just going to take this down to, I'm just going to take it down to 250 just so it works. Okay, so that's the height and the width of it, and that's all you need to do. So you can see now that it's in the middle. Okay. What we will be doing is sort of adjusting this column, the height of this column as well in a moment. Okay. Now at the moment, if we look at that, you can see it's sort of to the left of this here. So I'm just going to sort of change this text as well. I'm just going to say where our shop is, just to give that something there. And then I'm just also going to in this column, I'm just going to say it's going to be text aligned. Okay, so text align equals center. So this is just for this column, this second column. Okay, so hopefully what that will do is it will align anything in that column. So now you can see that it's moved across. All right. So that's it basically, apart from we just need to change the background text color. At the moment it is that grey color. So I'm just going to change that to white. Again, I'm just showing you each time bit by bit how I'm changing things, and that's really how you should work. Do something and then go back to it. So that's where our shop is. Now you can see that this is slightly too small, is this area. Now that is because up in our columns up here, this was the stuff which we first put in on the first video. You can see that the height is 300 pixels. Now again, what we want that to do is to flex to whatever we've got in there. So I'm just going to change that to auto. Okay, you can see that it should be removed, and that's because it's for demonstration purposes only. So what we're trying to do is make sure that whatever we put in our text, it looks correct. Now at the moment, you can see that because we've made that, we're flexing those columns. This column up here is going to flex both columns. So this column here looks like it's, you can see the red behind it. But what we're going to do is we're going to change this background at the end, so it will look like that. But that is actually the background of the main area. So you can see that there. Now, like I did in the previous one, we kept it red so we could see it. But let me just show you what it looks like once we've finished, when we tidy everything up. It actually looks fine. Okay, so there we go. The other thing I'm going to do is I'll just finish off tidying it up. But you can see that that is now more or less everything done. If I actually roll it there, you can see that we've got I've got my text above it, and I've got my map below it. The last things I'll probably do is to get rid of this border, and I'll just tidy up this stuff as well. Okay, but if you can just do that and just make sure that you've embedded your map, that would be great.